Kia ora koutou. My name is Bill Clarke and I'm standing in the Taupō ward. Firstly, I'd quickly learn how the council operates so I can be an effective person on day one. Secondly, I believe in collaborative leadership. So as we say in Māori, ko te tātou kaha e hara, I te mea take I tahi, engari ko te rōpū. So our strength comes from working together as a team and not as an individual. So my 40 plus years in education, with my last 28 years being a principal, has taught me to work with diverse groups of people, to lead and to make some tough decisions. I've been actively involved also in the community in such events like the Round the Lake cycle race and walk-run event, to coaching, supporting sports, academic, cultural teams and events, both and individuals, and also as a volunteer for 22 years with the Ironman. This combination of leadership, experience and community connection has prepared me, I think, for council. I believe the infrastructure costs are skyrocketing, so with the multiple years of new housing and business developments, along with the continuous upgrading of our present infrastructure and our need for that second bridge across the Waikato River, the challenge is balancing what we need with what the ratepayers can afford.